Welcome to renenergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. As the world moves towards a greener future, electric vehicles, EVs, are gaining popularity for their reduced environmental impact and the potential to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. However, with the growing number of EVs on the road, the need for accessible and efficient charging infrastructure becomes increasingly important. Solar electric vehicle charging stations offer a sustainable solution, harnessing the power of the sun to provide clean energy for EV charging, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional charging methods. Companies like Tesla are leading the way by incorporating solar power into their charging networks, setting an example for the rest of the industry. The rise of electric vehicles. The global shift towards electric vehicles has been driven by growing concerns about climate change, air pollution, and the depletion of fossil fuel resources. Many countries have set ambitious goals to phase out internal combustion engine vehicles and encourage the adoption of electric vehicles. As a result, the demand for EV charging infrastructure is on the rise, with governments, businesses, and individuals looking for innovative and sustainable solutions. Solar electric vehicle charging stations. How do they work? Solar electric vehicle charging stations, also known as photovoltaic (PV) charging stations, use solar panels to generate electricity from sunlight, which is then stored in a battery or fed directly to the electric vehicle's charging equipment. These stations can be standalone units or integrated into existing EV charging networks, providing a clean and renewable energy source for electric vehicle charging. Tesla's commitment to solar-powered charging. Tesla, the leading EV manufacturer, has been at the forefront of embracing solar power in its charging infrastructure. In addition to its extensive supercharger network, which provides fast and efficient charging for Tesla vehicles, the company has invested in solar-powered charging solutions to further reduce the environmental impact of its charging stations. Tesla has installed solar canopies at some of its supercharger locations, harnessing solar energy to offset the electricity consumption of the charging stations. Moreover, Tesla's V3 superchargers are designed to be compatible with solar power systems, enabling seamless integration of solar energy into the charging process. Benefits of solar electric vehicle charging stations. Reduced environmental impact. Solar electric vehicle charging stations provide a clean, renewable energy source for EV charging, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution associated with fossil fuel combustion. Energy independence. By using solar energy for EV charging, drivers and businesses can reduce their reliance on grid power and fossil fuels, promoting energy independence and security. Cost savings. Solar electric vehicle charging stations can help lower electricity costs for both drivers and charging station operators, as solar energy is a free and abundant resource. In some cases, excess solar energy can be sold back to the grid, generating additional income. Scalability and flexibility. Solar electric vehicle charging stations can be easily scaled to meet the growing demand for EV charging infrastructure. They can be installed in various settings, including homes, businesses, parking lots, and remote locations without access to grid power. Government incentives and rebates. Many governments offer financial incentives and rebates for the installation of solar electric vehicle charging stations, making them an even more attractive investment. Challenges and considerations. While solar electric vehicle charging stations offer numerous benefits, there are several challenges and considerations to keep in mind. Initial investment. The upfront cost of installing solar electric vehicle charging stations can be significant, especially for off-grid systems that require battery storage. Space requirements. Solar panels require ample space for installation, which may be a challenge in urban settings or areas with limited available land. Weather dependence. Solar electric vehicle charging stations rely on sunlight for power generation, making them less efficient in areas with frequent cloud cover or limited sunlight. Maintenance. Solar panels and battery storage systems require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Conclusion. Solar electric vehicle charging stations represent a promising solution for the growing need for sustainable EV charging infrastructure. Industry leaders like Tesla are already embracing this technology and integrating solar power into their charging networks, setting an example for the rest of the industry. By harnessing the power of the sun, solar electric vehicle charging stations provide an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional charging methods, further promoting the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, investing in solar-powered charging stations can help mitigate environmental concerns and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Governments, businesses, and individuals can all play a role in supporting this sustainable solution, contributing to a cleaner and greener future for transportation. Ultimately, Solar electric vehicle charging stations have the potential to revolutionize the way we power our vehicles, reducing the carbon footprint of transportation and paving the way for a more sustainable future. By following the example of companies like Tesla and embracing renewable energy sources for EV charging, we can make significant strides towards a cleaner, greener, and more efficient transportation system for years to come. Thank you for choosing renewenergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at renewenergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.